Jagadish, good evening. Huh? Good evening, guys. No, no, not completed EC2. Today we are going to complete, okay? So, guys, Monday I'll start maximum VPC. Monday I'll start VPC. Tomorrow no holiday. Sorry, tomorrow holiday. Okay. Sunday na tomorrow. Tomorrow no class. Tomorrow holiday. Monday we will continue. Right. Okay. So let's get started. So today we are going to discuss about Linux server. How to launch the Linux instance. How we need to access the Linux instance. Okay. Thanks for tomorrow. Welcome. I need to complete few web series, yes, man. So that's why. Okay. So let's see, guys. Here now we need to we are try to launching instance, guys. Let's see here. This is not that much of easy like Windows. Okay. This is not that much of easy like Windows, guys. Which web series? कौन सा यार वो अभी बोला था ना नाम? गुना 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 2. Okay. Linux instance. Got it, guys? Right. So we know how to launch the instance, right? How to access the instance also we should know. Already we know how we need to launch the instance. Yesterday we discussed, simply we are going to launch the instance. We access the Windows instance from AWS console, right? So Linux, coming to Linux, it's not that much of easy. So now we need to understand. Let's see, guys, here. So this is Linux instance. Assume this we launched into our AWS account. And this is our mission. Okay. I have Windows 10 operating system into my laptop. Got it, guys? So we have Windows 10 client mission. Got it? This is client mission. Our mission is client, and this is EC2 Linux server. Okay. How to launch, we know already. While you are trying to launching at the time, what we are doing, we are downloading one file. What is that file? .pem file. Yes, no. Key pair. Key pair we are saying, not key. Key pair. Key pair means 2. Pair means 2. Okay. Right. So PEM key is a private key. So private key. PEM key is a private key. I'll tell you what is private key, what is public key. Then only you are going to understand how we need to access the Linux instance. Right? Guys, we have key pair. Key pair means 2. Right? This PEM key we are going to download into where? Into our laptop, right? Into our laptop. We are going to download this .pem key into our laptop. This is private key. With the help of this key, we are trying to accessing this EC2 account user, EC2 virtual machine user account. I hope you got it, guys. So first, what we need to do in the sense, let's see. So I'll do one thing. Leave about this PEM key. Okay. After that, we are going to discuss about PEM key. So we have 2 missions. Those both the missions having one network. Got it, guys? 2 missions we have. Those both the missions having network, right? So we connected one network. You can say internet or otherwise your personal network also. It's not a problem. Okay. I'll do one thing. Internet we have. Okay. In between we have internet. Okay. Got it, guys. So in between we have internet. So now this mission, it got located into somewhere, maybe North Virginia, NB, right? Okay. And this our client mission, it's located into where? Into India. Okay. So in India, we have Hyderabad. So we are into Hyderabad. Got it, guys. So now what we are doing, we are trying to accessing this Linux machine remotely into our Windows machine. Got it, guys? We are trying to accessing our EC2 Linux instance into our Windows instance. If we having Windows 10, it's okay. If we having old operating systems like Windows 7, Linux file system, it is not going to support for Windows. Windows file system, it is not going to support for Linux. Remember, means I'll teach you in layman language, then easily you are going to understand. So you don't know what is file system, those all now technical words. If we have the file into Linux operating system, we are unable to access this file into Windows. If we having the files into Windows operating system, we are unable to access those files from Linux operating system. Means both are same, both are different. Both are different. Both the file systems are different. Windows file system, it is not going to support for Linux. Linux file system, it is not going to support for Windows. If we having Windows 7, Windows 8 operating system. But from Windows 10 onwards, they introduced us few Linux commands from Windows 10 onwards. If you have a Windows 10, Windows 11, you can access remote Linux machine into Windows directly. Maybe if you doesn't have the Windows 7, if you doesn't have the Windows 10, at the time we need to use one third-party application called Putty. Simple, man. For example, what is your name? Pranjal Gupta, right? So Pranjal Gupta, he's located into Amirpet. He's staying into his hostel. Guys, I am staying into my home. I assume this my home it got located in Kukatpalli. Got it, guys. Pranjal, he's staying in Amirpet. I'm staying in Kukatpalli. After completing the class, he's doing some lab sessions. Got it, guys. Assume that he's doing few lab session after completing the class into his PG. Right. Then suddenly he got an error. He got error. Then he called to me, sir, I'm having one error. I am unable to create the instance. Please help me. Okay. So verbally, I'm going to provide those all the instruction, even though it's not clear. Then what I need to do? Prajal, it's not like that. If you're providing your machine remotely to me, then I can provide the proper resolution for you. That's it, na guys. I am in Kukatpalli. He is in Amirpet. And how I need to access his machine remotely into my laptop? With the help of few third-party applications that is called TeamViewer. Got it, guys? AnyDesk. You know very well about AnyDesk, right? With the help of AnyDesk, TeamViewer, so Zoom meeting app, like this applications we are going to use. I am going to get the remote access from Amirpet to Kukatpalli. Like the same way we are doing. Coming to Windows, yesterday we did Windows to Windows, right? We launched the Windows EC2 instance and then we access the Windows EC2 instance from Europe to into our laptop. So usually TeamViewer, AnyDesk, right? Skype calling and Zoom meeting app, those all third-party applications. Those all third-party application to access remote mission into our laptop through internet. Coming to Windows, by default, we have an application that is called RDP. Yesterday we discussed, right? RDP. RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol. With the help of RDP is an inbuilt protocol into our Windows operating system. But TeamViewer, it's not inbuilt. We need to download from internet and then we need to install into our laptop. With the help of TeamViewer, we are going to access the remote machine. Like the same way in Windows, we have RDP. Coming to Linux, we have SSH. SSH. Secure Shell. Okay. So port number 22. SSH port number is a 22. I hope you got it. How will have the TeamViewer AnyDesk, like that same way, we have an official application into Linux operating system, that is SSH. Coming to Windows, RDP, right? Yes, no. In Windows, we have RDP, right? So Windows having RDP, remote desktop protocol. So this RDP, it don't support for SSH. SSH, it don't support for RDP. I hope you got it now. Yes, no. Then how we need to access this Linux machine into Windows client using one third-party application called Putty. Not only Putty, we have many applications, Putty, Kitty, Mobile X Team, Mputty, like that. Guys, I'm not making jokes. Really, we have Kitty application also. Putty is one application. It will act like as a your team viewer, especially why we need to use the Putty. Windows file system, it is not going to support for Linux. Linux file system, it is not going to support for Windows. To access the Linux machines into Windows operating system, we are depending on one third-party application called Putty, like TeamViewer, like your AnyDesk. Got it? By default, what we have? SSH. Right, guys? By default, SSH will have, for example, if you having Windows 7 operating system, in Windows 7, SSH directly don't work. We need to use third-party application called Putty. It will support SSH, serial port, remote desktop, everything. Got it, guys? So with the help of this Putty, we are going to send the request to the EC2 instance, and we are going to access the EC2 instance remotely into our laptop using Putty. I hope you got it now, right? Exactly how we are trying to accessing our EC2 instance remotely into our Windows machine. Now we are going to discuss. While you are trying to launching this EC2 instance, at the time, we are going to download one file called PEMKey. We are going to provide the key pair, right? See guys, exactly what it will happen in the sense, while you are trying to launching the instance, AWS, it will generate two keys, but we are providing only one key, only one name na, but it will generate two keys. One is public key, another one is private key. Got it, guys? Let's see here. So now, while you are trying to creating the instance into AWS account, usually yesterday we provided one key name. For example, I'm trying to providing linux.pem, linux key.pem, like that, right? And this is private key. Okay, I'll tell you what is private key, what is public key, don't worry. Right. So along with the private key, for EC2 Linux instance, having one user called EC2-user. EC2-user. With the help of EC2-user only, we are going to log in into our EC2 instance, especially into Linux instance. Got it, guys? Windows administrator. Yesterday we discussed now. While you try to log in with the help of like Windows EC2 instance, we are going to use administrator user and we are going to provide the password. Yesterday it's very easy. Today we need to understand, while you are trying to providing the key pair, how many keys it is going to generate. So it will generate one PEM key. This PEM key we are going to download into our Windows laptop, right? Along with this PEM key, one more key also it is going to generate, that is public key. I hope you got it, guys. So public key. Clear? So private key, public key, both are key pairs. Both are key pairs. Okay. I'll tell you exactly what is public key, what is private key, exactly how it is going to work. This is internal process. This much of like content, even if you go to paid classes also, you are unable to get. Right? Simply they are going to launch the instance. That's it. Internally, what it's happening, no one they will teach. Clear, guys? Please focus on it. So, usually, what is your name? I forgot your name. Teacher, black color. Harish, right? Harish. Harish Jairaj, right? Okay. So, Harish, assume this Harish is a rich kid. He's looking rich only, na, right? So, so Harish is a rich kid. Huh? How many peoples they wear black today, man, including me? You, and then you, and that guy, and how many peoples? Huh? Black color. Saturday means black only, right? Right. So I'm going to follow like that only. Right. So let's see, guys, here. Harish, assume this, he's a rich guy. He's staying into his personal room in Amirpet. Guys, listen. Listen the story. Then easily you're going to understand what is public key, what is private key. Exactly how it is going to generate everything, I'll show you practically. इतना मैं किसी को भी नहीं पढ़ा अभी तक, आप लोगों को ही पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Got it. Actually, one guy he requested to me. After completing the session, one guy he requested to me, सर थोड़ा जो पढ़ा रहे ना उसमें और थोड़ा डिटेल पढ़ाओ बोल के बोले थे, इसीलिए मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I don't know his name. You only na, right? Good. Okay. So got it, guys. So welcome, right? Always we are for you only. Okay. We are available for you only, right? So let's see. Harish is a rich guy. He's staying his into personal room, personal bedroom. I mean, one BHK you can say. In that one BHK bedroom, he's maintaining many expensive products like iPhone, iPad, Apple computer, right? And then AC, washing machine, music machine. Listen, we need to listen the music, right? So that's why he's maintaining music machine. So very expensive product he's maintaining, right? So evening 6 o'clock, we need to attend the Imran sir class, right? So he need to come out from his room. He need to travel from his room to Naresh Shetty classroom, right? Then how he's going to protect his room? Yes, guys, with the help of lock. If you didn't put the lock, what will happen? Every expensive items it's going to I hope you got it. He's going to become poor. Simply. Yes, no. He need to protect his room, right? How he is going to protect his room? With the help of lock. With the help of lock. From where he is going to purchase the lock? Huh? From where he is going to purchase the lock? From shop itself only, right? Hardware shop, maybe fancy shop. From there, he's going to purchase the lock. Guys, while he's DMart, okay, very good. So I think Sunday program DMart, Sunday market. Okay, right. Nearby my home only, right? मैं इधर रहता हूँ, संडे मार्केट इधर इधर रहता है, ऑपोजिट रहता हूँ मैं संडे मार्केट के, right? So got it, guys. Little bit, what we say, Eragada. So got it, guys. So mental hospital also is there. कभी कभी जाता हूँ बताने के लिए. So got it, guys. What happened, guys? So let's see here. Right. So let's see here. He is going to purchase the lock. Right? He's going to purchase the lock. Guys, listen. So it's a very, very important and it's very interesting story also. With the help of the story, you are going to understand private key and public key. डायग्राम डालने से उतना क्लियर नहीं रहता, इसीलिए आई एम ट्राई टू नरेटिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ वन स्टोरी, देन इजीली यू आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड एग्जैक्टली. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फॉरगॉट फॉर योर लाइफ टाइम. दिस इज माय एश्योरिटी. So this guy he purchased the lock to secure the room, right? From here he's going to purchase, from where he's going to purchase the lock? From shop, right? While he's trying to purchasing the lock, they're going to provide only lock along with the key. Along with the key only. Those both are pairs only, na? Key pairs. Lock and key. Tala or chavi. I hope you got it, guys. So now, while you are trying to launching the instance at the time, while you're trying to providing the .pem key name, while you're launching the instance at the time, this AWS automatically, it will generate those both the keys. Tala is a public key. Chabi is a private key. Lock is a public key. Then he put the lock to his room. one of his friend, he visited his room. Usually he's going to find the lock. Guys, we are going to keep those both lock and key side by side. So we need to put the lock to our room. We need to keep this key into our pocket secretly. Right? Like the same way, while you are trying to launching the instance, while you are trying to providing the key pair name, private key, चाबी वो आपको दे देगा. I hope you got it. Private key dot pem key we are going to download into Windows machine. This public key it is going to put for EC2 user. I hope you got it, guys. ताला जो है EC2 user को डाल देगा automatically. So the lock it is going to put for whom? EC2 user. So that is called public key. Public key anybody can see. But private key it's available into our laptop personally. So if you need to access this instance, if you need to log in with the help of this EC2 user, already we have the log for this EC2 user. With the help of this key, we are going to open and we are going to log in with the help of Windows Mission. I hope you got it, guys, now. While you are trying to launching the instance, at the time we are going to provide the key pair, right? There you will have key pair, not key. Key pair means tala and chabi. Private key and public key. Private key means chabi. Public key means tala. Anybody can see the tala, right? Means lock. But chabi we are going to keep into our pocket, right? So key we are going to keep into our pocket secretly. So with the help of this key, we are going to open the lock without any password. I hope you got it. If you need one more example, I will tell you movie related. Can I? Huh? Right. So do you know DJ movie? You don't know. Shivaji movie, you know. Shivaji. Gundu Boss. Rajnikant Shivaji. Rajnikant Shivaji or DJ? DJ. Duvada Jagannatham. Allu Arjun movie. You have into Hindi also, man, in YouTube. If you want, you can watch. Okay. We'll have Hindi also. Huh? I don't know movie name. Search into DJ in Hindi dub like that. Then you are going to get, okay? Right, guys. Let's see here. In DJ movie, we have one concept called Hawala. Do you know Hawala? Money laundering. You know that. I think you did, right? You are rich guy, right? So, guys, I'm not that much of rich. I don't know much about Hawala. Only in movies only I know. So usually in movies we'll have mafia backdrop movies will have in that mafia backdrop movies will have one concept called Hawala. Hawala means illegal money transaction. Who have the like black money, those people usually they are going to do the Hawala. Here we doesn't have white money from where we are going to perform Hawala, right? Got it, guys. Clear? I hope you clear exactly what is Hawala, right? In DJ movie, villain name is Royal Naidu, I think so. Yes, no. That Bahubali movie we have na, Bahubali villain's father. Bahubali movie villain's father, Nazar. And not Nazar, not Nazar. Okay, okay. Right. Who's that guy? Ravu Ramesh, right. Ravu Ramesh, guys. Ba. ఏం నాలెడ్జ్ మూవీస్లో మామూలు నాలెడ్జ్ కాదు. సో అదే ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్లో క్వశ్చన్లు అడిగితే ఒకళ్ళు చెప్పరు. So if I'm asking about AWS, no one they're going to give like this answer. If I'm asking about movies, then right, okay. We have one villain. That guy actually he need to transfer the few currency India to UAE, I think so. Dubai something, right? So usually if you try to transferring legally, our government they are going to detect like more than 70%. So that's why those people what they are going to do, they are going to perform, they are going to use Hawala concept. They are going to use Hawala concept, right? So usually they are going to transfer the liquid cash to who's doing the Hawala into maybe in India, in Hyderabad especially, right? Those people what they are going to do, they are going to pick one note from that bundle, 100 rupees note. They are going to make two pieces. They are going to make two pieces. One piece is a public key, another piece is a private key. Got it, guys? So one piece for whose currency that guy, I think his son, I think he's going to get Royal Naidu son, right? In that movie. So he's going to travel from India to UAE along with that half note. Then he's going to provide this half note who's doing the Hawala into UAE. Those people, they are going to convert Indian currency to UAE currency. They are not going to check the passbook and those kind of stuff. You should have the half note, means that is your key. If it is both match, then they will transfer the money Indian currency to the UAE currency. If it is not match, they will shoot us. In movies like that only will have. Yes, no. If it didn't match, we are unable to access the instance. Clear now? Exactly what is public key, what is private key. If you are try to launching any instance, those both the key automatically it will generated by AWS. Even we can also generate our own keys also. But if we having legacy environment, if we having data centers, there we are going to generate our own. Got it? Here, no need to generate manually. AWS only, it is going to generate the lock and key. It will put the lock to the EC2 user. It will provide the key to us into our laptop. We are downloading .pem key, right? .pem key means that is our chabi. Without PEM key, you are unable to access. Got it now? Now, we are trying to sending the request with the help of Putty. Putty is a third-party application. It will support SSH in Windows, SSH protocol. To access the Linux instance, we should have the SSH, right? By default, Windows 7 doesn't have SSH. So that's why we are depending on third-party application called Putty. This Putty, it will act like as a team viewer. Now, with the help of this Putty, we are going to send the request. We are going to send the request. The request, it is going to travel through Putty. Putty, it will support. Got it, guys? SSH. The request, it is going to travel from here to EC2 instance. EC2 instance. And then, you know, now security group, everything. Security group, it will check SSH whether it will have or not. And then it will provide the response to us. And then we are going to get this EC2 instance without any password. We are going to log in with the help of EC2 user. Why without password? Because of PEM key. Because this is lock, it is going to put for EC2 user. This key it is going to provide for us. With the help of Putty, we are going to use this key. Then we are going to access EC2 instance with the help of EC2 user account. Clear now? I hope you got it. Now we are going to perform practical session. Already you know now security group and everything. Yesterday we discussed, right? Okay, in Hindi, Chanti, Lokesh, DJ movie Chanti, whatever it may be, search in YouTube, then you are going to get. Right, guys? Hmm? Whatever it may be. Right, guys? So now we are going to log in into our admin account or root account, whatever it may be. Then click EC2. Click EC2. EC2 launch instance, launch instance. Now we are trying to launching Linux server, right? I'm launching Linux server, right? Go a little bit down. I'm using latest one only. If you want, you can use latest one, or otherwise you can go to browse and then use some old instances also. It's not a old AMS also. It's not a problem. So T3 micro, right? Guys, see here, key pair, not key. Key pair will have. Key pair means two. We are going to get one key. Automatically, lock it is going to put for EC2 user, right? Now I'm trying to creating one key pair. RSA is an algorithm. With the help of RSA algorithm, dot PEM key, it is going to create. PEM stands for privacy enhanced mail. Privacy enhanced mail. So now I'm trying to providing Linux 2024. I think 3 only will have, 2024 doesn't have key. So create. Now what will happen? See, this dot PEM key, it is going to download it. See, this one. It got downloaded where? Into our machine, into our laptop, right? Automatically, it is going to put one public key for EC2 user. EC2 hyphen user account will have now to log in into EC2 instance, right? And remaining all same SSH security group, SSH we need to allow in security. Yesterday we allowed like RDP, right? Today we need to allow SSH because Linux having SSH protocol. Then we are trying to launching this instance. Don't know, Abhishek, how many classes we'll have. How many concepts we have? Tell me. Then I'll tell you how many classes. VPC, view all instances, right? Got it, guys. Let's see here. We need to wait until to get 3x3 check pass, right? Until to get 3x3 check pass. Ubuntu is good for beginners, but this is by default AWS they're providing for us. Okay. So Ubuntu only small scale industries they are going to use. Usually in real-time environment, maximum people they are going to use Red Hat Enterprises Linux, not Ubuntu. Okay, Hemant. So clear, guys? What is the difference between Linux and Ubuntu? What is the difference between Imran sir and AWS? I hope you got it right. Ubuntu is a one flavor of Linux. In Windows, what is the difference between Windows and Windows 11? Like that you are asking. Got it? What is the difference between Windows and Windows 11? Windows is a vendor, right? Windows 11 is a version, right? Linux is a one vendor. Ubuntu is a one flavor. Flavor we should call. We should not call version. We need to call flavor. Flavor means it's not a ice cream flavor, strawberry, vanilla. Okay, Ubuntu, right? Red Hat Enterprises Linux, Kali Linux, SUSE Linux, Debian, right? SUSE Linux, Fedora, 800 and plus flavors we have in Linux. Got it now? Right. So welcome, ma. So now we got a 3x3 check pass, right? Refresh it. Guys, please. 3x3 check pass we got, right? Now select this one. Guys, how to access now? With the help of putty. Select this one. We need two applications we need to download from internet. One is putty, another one is putty gen. Got it, guys? Putty and putty gen. Putty gen. Putty gen means putty generator. Okay. So it is going to generate the keys, putty gen. Okay. So those both the applications we need to download from internet. It's very easy to download. It's not a big deal. I'll show you. I will provide the link also. Give me 1 minute. First, what we need to do, go to Google, and then type putty, download for Windows 11, Windows 10, like this you can give. Then first link you need to click, then you can download. Already I have downloaded. I'm not going to download. You can download. I'll share the link for you. So with the help of this link, you can download putty. Next, one more application we need, putty gen. Putty gen. Putty gen for Windows. See guys, you can download putty gen here. And directly if you want, you can use this one also. It's not a problem. What happened? Clear guys? You can download putty gen from here. It's not a big deal. It's very easy to download, right? So see here. This is putty gen. You can download from here. Go a little bit down. Got it guys? Click this one. This is putty, I think so. See here. Click here, then you can download. Got it guys? It's not a big deal. Both I have downloaded before. First, what we need to do. Let's see guys. So we downloaded putty and putty gen both, right? So we downloaded .pem key, right? .pem key, it won't support for putty. .pem key, it is not going to support for putty. So that's why we need to convert .pem key into PPK. Already we have two options there while you are trying to launching the instance, rsa.pem.ppk. But I used .pem, right? So that's why putty, it won't support .pem. We need to convert pem to ppk. Okay. With the help of putty gen, we are converting .pem key to ppk. I hope you got it guys. PPK stands for putty private key. .pem means putty, private enhanced mail. Private enhanced mail to putty private key we need to convert. How to convert? Using putty gen. If you're downloading directly .ppk, no need to convert. We'll have two options, but I used PEM option. If you're downloading ppk, no need to convert. Directly you can use ppk into putty. Got it? But I have downloaded .pem, right? So .pem, it is not going to support for putty. So that's why we need to convert this .pem key into ppk. Got it guys? .pem key into ppk with the help of which application? Putty gen application. So now I'm going to open the putty gen. See guys, this is putty gen. If you are downloading, automatically you are going to get like this. See guys here, this is putty gen. I said na, generator. Gen means, right? So now we downloaded .pem key, right? What is the name of .pem key? Linux 2004 key, I think so. Yes, no. That key we need to upload here. Click upload, click upload, click upload, and then Linux 2024 key.pem, click open. I hope you're clear guys. So we downloaded .pem key. The .pem key we need to convert into the ppk. So that's why we open putty gen. First we need to download the putty gen from internet. Then we need to open the putty gen. Click load. Then access the .pem key. Next, convert, save as a private key. Click this one. Save as a not public key guys. Private key. Save as a private key. Yes. Then Same name, Linux 2024, but extension you need to provide .ppk instead of PEM. Same name. We are converting .pem to ppk, so that's why extension you need to change as a ppk. Then click save, then close it. That's it. I hope you got it, guys. How to convert the PEM key to ppk, right? This is step one after launching the instance. Now step two, open putty, right? Then this is putty application. Here we'll have host name or IP address, right? Host name and IP address, right? Which host name we need to provide here? EC2 host name, EC2 IP address. From where we are going to get? Go to login console, EC2 dashboard, then select, already we selected this instance, right guys? And then copy the public IP address. Then go to putty, paste it here, right? Next. Got it, guys? After converting the .pem key to ppk, open putty, copy the public IP address from our AWS console related to EC2 instance, then paste it here in host name. See, guys, port number 22, default it having SSH. So this putty will support SSH, serial port, other ports, telnet also, many ports it will support here. Got it, guys? But don't change here. Keep it SSH only. We are trying to accessing the Linux machine through SSH only. Got it, guys? Next. Here we'll have SSH, right? Click this drop down menu. And then we have auth, right? AUTH. And select this auth and credentials we'll have C. Simple. Copy the host name, paste into the host name. There we'll have connection. In connection, we'll have SSH. In SSH, we have auth. In auth, we have credentials. So select this browser. What your converted .ppk key we need to select here, right? Linux 2024. Which key? PEM or ppk? ppk we need to select. Then open and click open. Security alert you need to accept. See, guys, login prompt we got. I'll do one thing. I'm going to increase the size. How to increase? So change and then appearance, then change. Then I'm trying to making 19. See, guys, clear now. I hope you got it. Login as a default user is a EC2 user. Now it won't ask any password. Just hit enter. See, we connected. How it got connected? While you try to providing the EC2 user, we uploaded the ppk, right? Key. This ppk key is a lock, chabi key. So already EC2 user having lock. So automatically this key it is going to open the lock. Then EC2 user without any password we are going to access. Clear now? Right. So can we install basic web server? I hope you're clear how we need to access, right? This is one way. We have another way also. I will teach you. I will launch one. Let it complete the web server and then I will teach you how to access from command prompt also. How to access from command prompt. Right, guys? Let's see here. Basic web server installation steps. I'll upload. I have steps. Don't worry. Okay. I have login as a normal user. EC2 user is a normal user. Normal user having limited access. Right. So that's why what I am doing, I am going to log in as a root user. Means admin user account. How to log in? sudo -i. Sudo -i is a command to switch from EC2 user to root user. Then hit enter. Got it, guys? Now, first step. I'll provide the steps. Don't worry. Okay. Step by step. How to install the web server. Don't worry. Okay. So we need to switch from EC2 user to root user. How to switch? Sudo -i. Now I'm deploying website. Yesterday we did with the help of Windows instance. We deployed one basic website. like the same way, right? Now, yum install or dnf install, whatever if you want to can use. Yum is a old command, dnf is a new command. DNF, yum, DNF, both are same, whatever if you want to can use. Yum update first, okay? Yum update hyphen y. We are updating our instance operating system, not instance, our operating system. Linux, Amazon Linux 2023 will have na this operating system we are updating. Let's see here. Yum space update hyphen y. Right. So we have few updates and then it got updated, right? So first step, we need to switch from EC2 user to root user, then update the operating system with the help of M update, right? Now, guys, if you try to installing any server, we need to follow minimum 4 steps. First step, we need to install the required packages. First step, we need to install the required packages. Second step, we need to configure the configuration file. We need to deploy our website. Second step. Third step, start the service and enable the service. Fourth step, firewalls. Firewalls means security group. In security group, we need to add HTTP and HTTPS both. While I'm trying to launching this instance at the time, I didn't add. Now we are going to add. How we need to add after launching the instance, that is also we are going to discuss now. Got it, guys? Right. So next step, yum install httpd star hyphen y. HTTPD means hypertext transmission protocol daemons related all the packages. Star means wildcard expression. It will consider all the characters after HTTPD. Then we are trying to installing Apache web server. See, got it, guys? Apache web server we got installed now. I have deleted now yesterday. How you are going to get? Yesterday instance I have deleted, right? Disha, right? So it got installed. First step completed. So we installed require packages. Got it, guys? Second step, I'll do one thing. I am try to creating one basic website. Right. So how to create one basic website here? Let's see here. You don't know editors now. So that's why I'm trying to teaching with a simple command. Echo, I'm writing this is a test page. Got it, guys? Echo command, what it will do? It is going to print this is a test page. In C language, in Java, in Python, how you are going to print the string value and then variable value? Print is a command, right? In Python, we'll have print command coming to Java system.out.println. Like the same way in Windows echo, sorry, in Linux echo. It will print this is a test page. This output, what we are getting the printout, right? I am redirecting means greater than. I am redirecting. This is a test page into where www html index.html. This is a home directory for our Apache website, web server, not website. Got it, guys? Where www.html is a home directory for Apache web server. There we are trying to creating index.html. Inside this index.html, this is going to copy. This is a test page. It is going to copy into the index.html. I hope you're clear, guys. It's a simple because you don't know much about VIM editors now. So that's why I'm using this one. Right? Next step, third step. we need to start the service and we need to enable the service. Systemctl start HTTPD. Systemctl enable HTTPD. Without starting, without enabling, we are unable to access the service. I hope you got it, guys. Now the configuration part, it got completed within a 3 steps itself only. First step, install the package, require package, yum install httpd-y. Second step, we are going to deploy the website into var www.html with the help of echo command. I have redirected this. This is a test page into var www.html index.html. Got it, guys? Third step, we need to start the service. What we install the services, we need to start. Otherwise, it is not going to work. So we need to start. How to start? Systemctl start HTTPD. How to enable? Systemctl enable HTTPD. Got it, guys? Now let's try to access the website from this web server. So what is the IP address of this EC2 instance? 3.235.24.113. So I'm trying to pasting into the chat box and then open one browser, otherwise incognito, that is best. Then I'm going to paste this IP address. Then what will happen? See, click continue. You are unable to get the website. See, guys, here what it's happening in the sense, we are sending the request to EC2 instance to access the website from the EC2 instance, but we have one security guard, right? Security group. This guy is a security guard, right? This guy are having only SSH, right? It doesn't have HTTP, na. So that's why the request it is going to reject. It doesn't have the HTTP, right? We need to add the HTTP, then only this machine it is going to provide the response to us, then only we are going to get the website from the EC2 instance. Now we are sending the request to the SG, security group. Security group doesn't have HTTP. So that's why we are unable to get the response. The request it got rejected. So that's why we are unable to get. Then what we need to do? We need to add this HTTP into the existing security group. How to add? Now we are going to discuss. Got it, guys? So go to your AWS login console. See, guys, we have one tab called security here, right? In EC2 instance, details, status and alarm, monitoring and security. Click the security, go little bit down. Here you'll have the security group, right? Launch wizard 2 is a security group, right? Then click the security group. It having only SSH. See, outgoing traffic and inbound traffic. While we're discussing about VPC at the time, I will teach you. Don't worry, okay? 22 port number only we will have, but we need to add 80 port number also, na? We need to add like 443 also we need to add, right? Yes, no? How to add? Let's see. It's very simple. This blue color line will have, right? Security group name. Click this one. Click this one. See, guys, inbound rule, outbound rule will have. See, don't bother about outbound rule. I will teach you about inbound rule, outbound rule while we are discussing about VPCs at the time. Don't worry. Okay. In inbound rule, we have only one protocol, that is SSH, right? So that's why we can access this machine remotely, but we are unable to access the web services. Here we'll have edit inbound rule, right? Click edit inbound rule and then add rule. And then here select the, which one? Better to select all traffic. Any traffic we can access, all traffic. Okay, this is not recommended in real time, but while you're doing the practice at the time, better to select all traffic. So I'm selecting HTTP. One more rule. I'm selecting HTTPS also. Where is this? So right, custom will have na keep it anywhere in IPv4. Keep it anywhere IPv4 means anybody can access now. Got it, guys? Anybody can access. Then Save rules. I hope you clear how to edit the security group. Select the instance, go to security tab. There you'll have the security group. Click that security group. There you'll have the inbound rule, edit inbound rule, then add the HTTP and HTTPS. Instead of HTTP, HTTPS, if you want, you can add all traffic also. All the protocols, SSH, HTTP, whatever it may be, anything we can access. So now go to incognito. See, now it is going to work. See, means we send the request to whom? That particular security group. The security group, it having HTTP, HTTPS both. Then it is going to allow to the EC2 instance. Then it will provide the response to us. Clear now? I hope you got it, guys. How to launch the EC2 instance? Exactly what it's happening inside. I hope you're clear, right? How to deploy the basic web server, right? I'll do one thing. I am trying to accessing the same EC2 instance from Windows 10 operating system instead of using putty. You need PEM key. So that's why I have downloaded PEM key. PPK, it won't work. PPK only for putty. PPK only for putty. PPK, it won't work to access this EC2 instance, Linux EC2 instance into Windows 10 remotely. We require PEM only. Right, guys? So let's see here. Minimize. Open CMD. Login. Run as an administrator. Right, guys? Open CMD. Run as an administrator. Guys, I'll show you one simple way how to access. It's very easy. Let's see here. Go to EC2. Back to EC2. Okay. So running instances, one instance we have, see here. Select this instance. Select this instance. Then click connect. Click connect. Right. Then select SSH client. How we selected RDP client there yesterday. Like the same way, select SSH client. Here we'll have 4 steps to see. Open SSH client. Step 2, we need this key. We need this key. अच्छा नहीं आ रही है? हाँ? फिर तो रात में वेब सीरीज भी नहीं देखता ना, फिर क्या कर रहा है? This guy, he know very well about him because he's my brother's son only, okay? So ये मूवीज नहीं देखता है, फिर क्या कर रहा है रात में? अभी सो रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ? Why you are sleeping? Huh? I am also not feeling well. Right? Let's see, guys, here. Why unnecessary we need to waste our time? So let's see, guys, here. Linux 2024, and that too in front of me, he's sleeping. Huh? So I'll call to his father now. Can I? So Linux 2024 key pair we need to create, right? Guys, please. Then we need to provide this permissions. Usually it's possible in Linux, this command. It won't possible in Windows. How to provide the read-only permission, I will tell you, don't worry, okay? Right, see, guys, here. Go to download folder, open this file. Open this file. Okay. This file, right? Right click, go to properties. Right click. What we download, the like PEM key will have na. Open that PEM key. Select that PEM key. Right click, go to properties. And next, what we need to do in the sense, go to advanced option, not advanced option, guys. 1 minute. Security. Security. Right here, advanced options will have, not general advanced options. Security advanced options. Okay. So click advanced. Right. Click advanced. Right. And then what we'll have here, disable inheritance. Click this one and then remove all inheritance. What happened? One minute. Right. So let's see, guys, here. You need to delete those all the users. This one you need to delete, remove. Got it, guys? Like this, you should not delete all one by one. You need to keep administrator. My username is administrator, right? Remaining users we need to remove. Clear, guys? Right? Then apply, then OK. Select only one user, then click edit. Here, remove everything. Remove everything. You need to keep only read only. Guys, let's see here. First, what we need to do? Open security advanced settings. Select all the users, remaining users. Your main user only you should have. My main user is administrator. Right? I have login with the help of administrator only into my laptop. Okay. Then remove remaining users. Keep your only one user with whom you are logging into your laptop, that username, right? And then go to edit and remove everything. Keep read only. Read only you need to keep, right? So click OK, then apply, then OK, then OK. Got it now, right? Open CMD. Open CMD SSH-I. SSH-I. This command also you can get from here. See, this is a command. Copy this one, and then paste it here. Okay. But here, this Linux underscore 2024 key, it's not available into the system 32. Where it's available? It's available into download folder, right? Download folder itself only, na? Right. Right click, go to properties, then get the path. This is a path, right? Copy this path. Let's see, guys, here. Then here you need to paste in front of this key. And then slash. Clear now? Then hit enter. Then we need to provide yes. Got it? We got a EC2 instance. Like this, you can access from Windows directly. If you should have minimum Windows 10. You should have minimum Windows 10, Windows 11. You can access without putty. Why we are going to use putty in real time? In the sense, easily you can copy the content from Notepad++. You can paste here. But in CMD, it's a little bit difficult to us while you try to copying and pasting at the time. Got it, guys? Yes, no? So I hope you're clear how we need to access the Linux instance. I have given the very detailed information, guys. So it's not like this. Simply we are going to click there and there. It's not like that. Internal process also we discuss, right? Okay. Can we discuss about LAMP server? No? Why? 10 minutes only. I'll do one thing. Do one thing. This is homework for you. Right? Homework కూడా వద్దా? ఇక్కడ కాదు, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి చేయండి. నో అంట. Let's see, guys, here. AWS LAMP stack. AWS LAMP stack. Google it. AWS LAMP stack. Guys, go a little bit down and LAMP server installation tutorial. Okay. Launch EC2 instance. Okay. Got it, guys. Launch EC2 instance. I'll do one thing. I'll copy this link and then paste into your chat box. Right? Guys, then follow those all the commands. Here we'll have command C. Copy this one, paste into terminal. Copy this one, paste into terminal. Like that you can do. Can I do now? Hardly how many steps? 4 steps we have. You can try in your home. Then if it is not working, I'll tell you. Read this document. So no need to type commands. Here we'll have copy button. Copy this one and then paste into your. So Monday I'll explain you exactly what is LAMP server, how it is going to work. Okay. So try yourself. Try yourself. It's not a big deal. LAMP stands for Linux. L stands for Linux. A stands for Apache. M means MySQL. P means PHP. Okay. How many types of websites will have? Very good. Static and dynamic. As of now, we discuss static website. LAMP server is a dynamic website. Got it? So usually most of the people, they won't teach. Maybe they will teach only few people in paid sessions itself only. So if you're okay, then I'll teach you now itself. And it's not a problem, but you are not at all interesting, right? I am also not feeling good. सैटरडे नहीं है एक्चुअली वो फुल वो है ना जुकाम हो गया है इसीलिए हवा नहीं जा रहा है अंदर नाक से पूरा बंद हो गया है इसलिए इसीलिए आज थोड़ा एनर्जी डाउन है ना हाँ नहीं है तो ऊपर तक सुनाता था राइट राइट ओके बिकॉज ऑफ यू पीपल टुडे नाइट 2 o'clock टैबलेट डाल के सोया यार पूरा गला बंद हो गया रात में और सुबह थोड़ा ओके हाँ कोल्ड गाइस बिकॉज ऑफ कोल्ड ओनली okay you are also same right this is a task for you okay just blindly you can do I will explain you on Monday right Monday I'm going to start VPC virtual private cloud thank you ma thank you right okay so that's all for today see you on Monday if you having any doubts any questions please ఇంకా 5 నిమిషాలు ఉంది see you on Monday bye take care happy weekend